water quality equipment by using microcontroller and sensor. And yes,
Water, bad water
Yes,
and good water, right?
Yes.
And what technology or microcontroller?
I don't know, you know. We use electric from solar panel.มีแบตเตอรี่ด้วยไหม
Wow.
And we store it in battery. 66 not MCU.
What's the function of ESP?
ESP we have a can detect Wi-Fi and send through internet.
Oh, detect Wi-Fi. Oh, that's connected to the phone.
Connected to the phone.
So when there's sun, the solar will absorb the solar energy and turns to electric energy.
Tak nampak je.
And the pedal will.
Increase the oxygen level.
The function of the pedal is to increase the oxygen level on the leg. So we have a 3 sensor there. It's a turbidity sensor, DO sensor and pH sensor. This is just the prototype, but as you can see here, they brought the bigger one. See, this is the actual size. Turbidity, DO and pH sensor.
ได้ถ่ายเป็นวิดีโอ
This is the ESP.
Yes, ESP.
Arduino Uno.
Arduino, you know, yes.
What is this?
This one adapter.
PS sensor
PS sensor.
board.
PS sensor and adapter to from
Or future goals for the project.
Sensor we not cover or maybe metal future maybe it can use for long time for electric from battery from solar panel. Also maybe smaller than smaller from nice. Yes.
Hi, good morning guys. How are you? Fine. Okay. So, can you tell me about your project, please?
Our project is comprising and it automatically cleans
Whiteboard. Okay. So, what are the components that have been used to design this project, such as other than Arduino Uno?
for gear motors, for limit switch,
4 gate motors. This one. This one motors.
Wi-Fi module,
Wi-Fi module.
IoT platform like Blink app,
Is it this one? It's all?
12-volt power supply, and physical button. Yes.
Where's the manual button? Where the manual button? It's at the back. Can you guys press it?
Wait, but
Apa ni?
Itex opening ceremony started now. Hall 1.
So this LCD display will show alert that there's something on danger fire like that. It's like
Okay. So what's the function of this? It's a camera. Okay. So the function of the bin is to detect if any fire happens in rubbish. Is it?
so if you put any like paper or plastic in there, it will sort all by itself. But sometimes it will do correctly like 95%.
So why does it has a separation in the dustbin?
To make to separate easily like for cleaners and housekeepers to separate easily.
So this project right not like using like feature improvements. So feature improvement like we like put it automatically it goes high.
So it detect gas.
It detect gas and this is flame sensor.
Flame sensor.
So this is mostly our project.
Understood. So good morning, guys. So what is your project is all about?
So this is our project.
AI Robotics.
So this project is about. This project is for.
So I'll explain it more. So our project name is Itex. So it has three main functions. It helps farmers, it helps constructors, and also helps developers. So how does it help the farmers? So as you can see here, we have a soil detector, a moisture detector. So for example, what it does is it helps farmers to detect the soil moisture and also the acidity level, the pH level of the soil, to make the farmers' life easier by not thinking, is it suitable for this plant? They are not knowledge. They don't know when it happens or don't know how the seasons happens. And this was also cheap because it's only 150 ringgit for this, and it does three things. So they can buy this and they can use this for cheap to help them grow more crops for their family or then for themselves.
And also this helps builders that wants to structure buildings. This also helps to test the soil level so that it can tell developers that is it suitable to build this building here, is it suitable to build it here or not. Also, our main purpose of this project is do you know the recent explosion of the gas pipe leak? So that is our main purpose. Our main purpose is because we have gas leak sensor and also we have rain sensor. So what the rain sensor does, it will let us know if there's heavy rain or small rain, or like very little rain. And also it can tell us immediately whether if there will be a flood or not. What the gas leak sensor does, it detects gas underground. So because since gas pipes are very underground, right? So it helps detect it also. So for our future project, we are going to have a drone. So for the drone, it's going to have many sensors equipped with all of these. Okay, so what the drone does is, we also have an app. So through the app, through the app, people can report anything to the app. And also you will get answer in a split second because we are using ChatGPT. So whenever you ask the question, it will straight away go to ChatGPT and you will get answer immediately. Because
Even though AI is growing now, some apps have a section where you ask questions, but they don't use AI. They use real life responses from people. And sometimes it may take days to get responses. But from our app, because it uses AI, you can have.
So what technology or microcontroller is used in the project?
So what we are using an ESP32. So it controls all the sensors. But for it to function, it needs Wi-Fi. That's all. You don't need any fancy.
these are the kits that we are using.
These are the kids.
Yeah.
These are the kits.
Why don't you guys use Arduino Uno? Is it
Easy to code.
easy to coding if you use the ESP?
Yeah, for ESP32, the Arduino is the most suitable storage.
And this is for the farmers to, for them to
And we also have plan to have a flame sensor
flame sensor.
because you know
in every house, because now things are very unpredictable, you know. So that it's like our grandma, they love farming as well. So it is very useful for them because they don't know what the drone can also scan through the ground to check if there's any gas leaks. And also the purpose of the drone is for illegal mining. So when people do illegal mining, example like we humans, okay, we see them digging, but then we cannot, like, we have no proof, you know what I mean? Because sometimes we don't even have time to take picture. So we have no clue. What the drone does is, if there's any detects, people report through the app there's illegal mining, the drone will go and snap picture of the person doing it and also the project of them doing it, and it will report to the authorities. So that the authorities will take immediate response to this and also to the gas leak.
Okay. So the project is ask some questions. Is it fine? Okay, so what problem does your project solve?
Farm will be tired, and then sometimes the weather and distance make it more difficult, so our car solves that problem.
So there will be no human involved in the robot, just only to follow the line?
Yeah, in future, but now the robot comes to the farmer will put the durian to the cart. But in future, we will add robot arm can pick the durian by itself.
So as for now, the farmers will need to join the vehicle to pick up the durian, right?
Yeah, the farmer stay here, and then when the car comes, the farmer will put the durian in the car.
Okay. What are the limitation or future goals for the project? The limitation.
For limitation is actually if there is no limitation, you can do it like more better this project.
Oh, the limitation is
Actually the costing.
the programming.
Limitation meaning is like if there is no limitation, this project will be way more better.
For example, if the limitation for
Is
this project
costing.
is 100 ringgit, so you guys just need to make the project within 100 ringgits. If there's no limitation, you guys can go up to 200. Then maybe you can guys add like he said, helper to take the durian and so on. So the limitation is maybe the cost, because they didn't have the hand to pick the durian.
Yeah, we will study the cost if someone wants to buy our project.
So the future goals is to put the robot hand, right?
Yeah,
The future goals.
It's great.
Okay.
We will continue going to the durian farm to collect durian, and then the
To make it better,
robot arms
robot arms
and camera
and GPS.
and also camera. Like some durian is spoiled, and then the camera will scan it like this. Good durian it will take, bad durian it will don't take.
Sama.